just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, whatever, no, that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Deja Janae. I was trying to do like a new intro, but I can't really, whatever. Anywho, so it's kind of an impromptu planned video. The two don't really go together, but it's like I had a thought, but I hadn't really planned it out all the way. I know I want to do a soft glam makeup look because that is what's trending. Everyone likes soft glam makeup looks. I wanted to do a soft glam makeup look inspired by Lori Harvey. I'm gonna insert a picture if y'all don't know who she is. I don't know that much about her. I just know that she's Steve Harvey's stepdaughter and she looks cute. We're gonna do a soft glam look inspired by Lori Harvey. Period, love. Period. I follow her on Instagram and I kind of was like looking through her feed and I tried to replicate an outfit. I didn't get it down packed to a T, but it's okay, it's inspired. So I don't really know where I'm going with this video, but we're gonna start off with foundation, and I know my foundation of choice today will be the Anastasia. I'm gonna prime my face with my Milk Hydro Grip primer, but my hair is slicked back in a ponytail because for the most part she likes ponytails. So again, I'm using the Anastasia foundation. My shade is 410C. Even though it has a C at the end, it's not a cool foundation at all. It's very warm. I like this foundation because one, it's a little darker than me, a little warmer, but I like that. I'll show y'all some pictures if they go well because I'm going somewhere today. I'm going to like some art and chocolate gallery thing. We'll see how that goes, and if I get good pictures there, I'll be sure to post them on my Instagram. I'm not pressed for time, but because we don't have to be there at exactly 6 o'clock, but I just don't want to take all day, you know? I still want to get good pictures, and I would rather get there a little early so that I can get the pictures I want, you know, without all these people around. I'm looking in this direction because my mirror's over here, so I can't look straight on at y'all. Maybe I will, just a little bit, you know, just for the camera. Concealer, I'll be using my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 18. So yeah, if y'all probably see my mirror, but it's cool. Next, I'm going to contour my face using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Cameroon. Boom. Period, love. I might turn this light off. Wow. I like how this looks more. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread to set my under eyes, forehead, nose, chin area. Y'all know the drill. Okay, my camera died. Forgot to tell y'all that. So I just went ahead and added the Huda Beauty powder, nose, forehead, mouth area, but I told y'all that before it died. So now I'm just going to use all over setting powder. I like to use the Sephora matte powder foundation or the Sephora micro smoothing micro smoothing powder in the shade matte tan. I don't know which one I want to use. I think I'm going to use this one. Now I'm going to use my favorite powder, bronzer by Fenty Beauty. It's the Caramel Cutie. I've been using it ever since I got it. And look at this, y'all. I need another one because this looks ratchet. I use my Laura Mercier, it's like a glow powder brush. See, look at that. Got this side and then this side. So I like to take this Sephora powder foundation shade Golden Fawn, and I like to like brighten my under eyes. Contour the nose a little bit. So I'm gonna spray my face. Yeah, I'm gonna do my brows off camera. Sometime this week, I'm gonna record an updated brow tutorial. But right now, I gotta go. Hold on. I'll be back. And I'm back like chiropractic. I have days when like, one day your brows might be a little, and then other days it's like, ooh, she popping, 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 popping. Popping on a handstand. These brows look good. So I said soft glam, and that's what we're gonna do. Kind of minimum makeup. Okay, so I don't think I've used my Jackie Aina palette like on camera, cause I've been using it. She's been getting some love. So I'm gonna use a couple of colors in here, like ginger and edges, ginger edges, ginger edges popping on a handstand. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of this Hoola bronzer and probably a mix of the Fenty bronzer too, just to put some browns in the eye. Oh, actually no, we're just going to keep this color. Lori Harvey, she don't really have a lot of makeup looks. They're pretty like real simple. I don't really think she wear eyeshadow like that. So she was the inspiration, but we're going to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, you know, because I'm going somewhere. I like to put the bronzer kind of like right here where the eye and the nose bridge meets. I'm gonna take a little bit of credit and put it in the corner of my eye. I'm gonna take some concealer and put it on the lid. Now, I did a look like this before on my Instagram, and I used this color right here for the lid because I want to keep it matte and soft. This is like I don't even know how to describe this color. This is from the Morphe 35R palette. It's like browns and stuff. Really good neutral, like a everyday palette. So I'm gonna use this one. Don't know what it's called, but it's this one. It back into credit. I put a little bit too much of that credit over here. I'm just gonna try to soften it with a little bit of ginger. Now I'm gonna take this matte like beige color and I'm gonna put it like underneath my brows, my brow bone. Oh, what's all in my eye? Okay, I'm gonna take Soleil, I don't know, this shade right here, and I'm gonna put it like right there, the lower tear duct. Boom, there we go. Wow. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty highlight in the shade Mo Honey and Afternoon Snack. I'm gonna put on my Shayla X Color Pop blush in the shade Construct. Kind of want to use Whistle While You Work as well, the pink one. Went a little hand with the blush, so let's just kind of diffuse it a bit. Oh, I forgot, I want to put a little bit of shadow underneath my eye. While I put on my mascara, I'm going to put on this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme to get these lips nice and right. The first time I used it, I was like, ooh, this stings. It still stings, but now I'm expecting it to sting the way it does, so there aren't any surprises. I'm going to put a little bit of this Wonder, it's like a beige eyeliner from NYX. I think I'm going to use this mascara, the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. I haven't used it in a minute. See, I forgot I like this one. I haven't used it in so long. My eyelashes look so good. I'm like, do I even want to put on falsies? Because I was going to put on some eyelashes. So my lashes look damn good, but I still think I want to put on some falsies. I'm going to put on some eyelashes and I'll be back. Ow. Okay, so I'm just putting on my nude lipstick. I'm using the Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncuffed, right? Am I right? No, Unveiled. I always get these names wrong. It's the brown one. And I think I'm gonna put the peach one in the center. This is like my favorite nude combo, but I want it to be more nude. So this is the finished look. It's pretty easy. I'll insert some photos that I took at the event. If not, well, that means I probably didn't get a good photo. So follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all